Oh, whoa!
Not my Crocs!
Dude, the Crocs. Today, Justin.
All right, friends, we're back, and today we're looking at the consequences of my own stupidity. So, first, we were gonna work on the BMW, but Huey forgot the leak down tool. So we're not gonna do that, but we were gonna leak down test it because I'm pretty sure I blew the head gasket on it 2 days ago. I got stuck in traffic and it got hot, and then I tried to make it home. So I ended up having to tow it anyway. Honestly, it's been a month and it's been every BMW bad story you've heard of, but once we do the head gasket and that, it'll be pretty solid. But yeah, so that's that. It's broken. Maybe we'll start it up and see how bad it runs in a little bit. But more importantly, today we're back on the 1UZ. And as you can see, it's taken apart a little, and we're gonna pull the heads because if we go this way, Huey and I did leak down testing on the 1UZ. And as you can see, we have 3 sad cylinders. Junkyard special, bro.
So, it happens. It happens.
Yeah, so they're pretty bad, those 3, but it is coming out of the exhaust manifold or ports, so we're hoping it's just bad valves. It's 2 on one head, 1 on the other, which is kind of weird, but that's why we're going to pull them off and see how bad it is. Honestly, I'm not too bummed, because once we go through these valve job, it'll be like brand new heads going on there, and those will be solid. So yeah, let's plan for today. Get these heads off and see what's happening, and then maybe we'll mess around with this thing and see if any like basic diagnostics we can see if there's coolant in the oil, or I don't know. It came off the tow truck and it ran fine, but it had cooled down already. Not my Crocs!
Dude, the Crocs. Well, now,
that's why you have garage
now they're really, it's time to take that off. Ooh, a little messy. Maybe shouldn't be standing downstream. What do we got?
Oh shit!
Oh, buckets, not the buckets. Got excited to look for your toasty valves.
Give me that one?
Yeah. Oh, give me a second. One head off. Got to drain the coolant. Seen better days. We'll clean this out and take a look at the cylinder walls. Well, Justin over here is loosening the other head.
The valve was staying open because of the gunk.
You think so, maybe?
I don't know, look how bad they are.
Well, head gasket's so like nasty you can't even really tell. The sludge or on the gasket.
That's horsepower, baby. I'm gonna flip these heads over.
Just drain it out, or the heads first.
Yeah,
Want to play with the heads or let the blocks? Want to just flip the blocks to get it to drain, and then we'll play with the heads. Do some of our ratchet finesse investigations and see exactly what happened.
is still good.
No. Makes a good engine stand shot.
Yeah, but it's still good.
Well, when you pushed it out there, it was underneath the engine stand, so I figured I could use it again.
Here we're at block, got the heads off. We're on the table, my new fancy table. But as you can see, this block's pretty grimy. I think Huey got some shots of all the like buildup that's just in there. There's like some here still.
We'll just call it carbon.
Yeah.
I don't know really what it is.
Horsepower reducers.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see. Yeah. So, and you can see the surface. We're gonna have to. It's gonna be a lot of cleaning, which is fine because we got a lot of time on this one. But other than that, pistons look good. There's no holes in them. I guess that's a plus. I don't know.
All the material's intact.
Yeah. I haven't decided. I don't really want to take it apart past this. So I'm hoping I don't have to, but the heads, I don't know. Let's look at them. So what is it? 4 and 6. So these cylinders are the ones that had bad leak downs on the exhaust side. So the valves look fine. I mean fine, but visually, but they don't look burnt. So I think I'm just gonna send them in, have them get cleaned up, do a valve job, see if anything's bad, and then I don't know, we'll send it. So yeah, but that's why I'm not sure if I'm gonna take the block apart more, because if nothing's bad here and the leak down is still bad, it's got to be in there. So I don't know. Hopefully the machine shop can tell us that this one's good. But other than that, everything just looks dirty, grimy. But like, there's nothing obvious. And I don't know if all the carbon getting stuck in the valves giving us bad leak down's a thing, but
Maybe
yeah.
something got stuck. You really don't know, right? As it rotates, and I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. So I don't know. I might pull the valves myself so we can take a look. I don't know. We haven't figured it out, but visually nothing obviously wrong. So a lot of cleaning to come. But I think I'll clean on this, but I'm gonna jump on the BMW because I want that running again. So since we don't have the leak down test, we won't do that today. So I think, is that all we got for today?
That's it for now, I think.
Alright, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you next time.